Maya, did you know conserving plants and animals is crucial for our planet's health?
Really? How can we help with that?
We can protect habitats, reduce waste, and spread awareness about endangered species.
That sounds great. Let's learn more about conservation together. Hi everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Ask Prep. In today's video, we are going to discuss about conservation of plants and animals. So, let's get started. Introduction to conservation. Have you ever wondered why we need to conserve plants and animals? Conservation is the practice of protecting Earth's natural resources for current and future generations. Our planet's biodiversity is crucial for maintaining ecological balance and providing us with vital resources. Deforestation and its causes. One of the biggest threats to our biodiversity is deforestation. Deforestation is the large-scale removal of forests, leading to habitat loss for many species. There are several causes of deforestation, including agriculture, clearing forests for crops and livestock; urbanization, expanding cities and infrastructure; logging, harvesting timber for various uses; mining, extracting minerals from forested areas. Consequences of deforestation. Deforestation has severe consequences for the environment. It leads to 1. Loss of habitat for millions of species. 2. Climate change, as trees absorb carbon dioxide. 3. Soil erosion, affecting agriculture and water quality. 4. Disruption of the water cycle, leading to droughts and floods. What is wildlife conservation? Wildlife conservation is the practice of protecting wild species and their habitats. It ensures that nature will be around for future generations and recognizes the importance of wildlife and wilderness for humans and other species alike. Methods of conservation. There are several methods of conservation, including 1. Protected areas. To protect our flora and fauna and their habitats, protected areas called national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves. 2. Endangered species protection, laws and regulations to protect species at risk. 3. Afforestation and reforestation, planting trees to restore lost forests. 4. Community conservation, involving local communities in conservation efforts. Protected areas in India. India has established numerous protected areas to conserve its rich biodiversity. These include 1. National parks, areas reserved for wildlife where they can freely use the habitats and natural resources. Example: Jim Corbett National Park. 2. Wildlife sanctuaries, areas where animals are protected from any disturbance to them and their habitat. Example: Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. 3. Biosphere reserves, large areas of protected land for conservation of wildlife, plant and animal resources and traditional life of the TR1BILs living in the area. Example: Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Red Data Book. The Red Data Book is a comprehensive list of endangered and threatened species. It helps in monitoring and protecting species at risk of extinction. Categories in the Red Data Book include 1. Extinct, no known individuals remaining. 2. Endangered, high risk of extinction in the wild. 3. Vulnerable, likely to become endangered unless circumstances improve. 4. Near threatened, close to qualifying for a threatened category. Reforestation and afforestation. Reforestation and afforestation are critical in restoring our forests. Reforestation involves replanting trees in deforested areas, while afforestation means planting trees in barren lands to create new forests. These practices help 1. Combat climate change. 2. Restore wildlife habitats. 3. Improve air and water quality. 4. Enhance soil fertility. Role of community in conservation. Local communities play a vital role in conservation efforts. By involving communities, we ensure sustainable use of resources. Some ways communities contribute include 1. Participating in conservation programs. 2. Practicing sustainable agriculture. 3. Protecting local wildlife. 4. Educating others about the importance of conservation. Government and NGOs in conservation. Both government and non-governmental organizations, NGOs, are crucial in conservation efforts. Governments can enforce laws and create protected areas, while NGOs often lead on-the-ground conservation initiatives. Examples include 1. Project Tiger, launched by the Government of India to protect tigers. 2. WWF, Worldwide Fund for Nature works globally to conserve nature. Sustainable practices. Sustainability means meeting our needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet theirs. Some sustainable practices include 1. Reducing waste. 2. Using renewable energy. 3. Practicing sustainable farming. 4. Supporting eco-friendly products. Conclusion and call to action. Conserving plants and animals is not just the responsibility of governments and organizations, it's up to each one of us. Here's how you can help. 1. Spread awareness about conservation. 2. Participate in local conservation programs. 3. Make sustainable choices in your daily life. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Together, we can make a difference.